Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be review one product. I have taken a gaming PC, so there is no Wi-Fi inbuilt in my motherboard, so I don't want to attach this wire RJ45 connector to my CPU. I thought let's go for Wi-Fi dongle. It's going to support for good speed one. In my budget I have taken TP-Link 300 Mbps adapter, mini wireless USB adapter. I'm going to review this product, how it's going to support or not. Still, I have placed the order today morning. I have got within the evening. This is the one, TP-Link. It's a sealed pack. I'm going to unpack and I'm going to show you. I'm going to connect to my gaming PC, whether it's going to support the high speed or not. I have 100 Mbps Geo. Is sufficient for my home. Well, 2 or 3 people are going to use the PC. One is PC for game and one laptop work from home I am doing. This is a TP-Link 300 Mbps TL-WN823N USB 2.0. It's going to support get fast and reliable Wi-Fi anywhere. This is the one I'm going to unpack and I'm going to show you. The price, I have taken this 600 rupees, 590 rupees. 590, yes, exactly 590. Discount offer, one button security, no need to install any driver. Earlier we have to small CD used to get, we have to install. Is going to support Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's unpack and I'm going to show you now. Okay, as you can see, TP-Link 300 Mbps mini wireless USB adapter. This is a version number, model number. WPS button, get reliable fast Wi-Fi. Let's unpack and see. The one button security, system compatible. It's Windows 11, 10 and 8 and 7 and XP is going to support older version also. Yeah, that is good. Backward compatibility is there. XP, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu. Let's unpack and oh sorry, it has 1 year warranty for this product. Let's keep aside. This is the user manual. I don't know why they have given so much big manual here. Simple manual you have to give. Just plug, connect, USB extension cable, USB adapter, insert CD and run auto. Oh, it has the driver. This is not a plug and play. They have mentioned install driver. Insert the CD and run this driver. Join a wireless connect, WPS and troubleshooting. Yeah, simple. Oh, okay, this is manual how to connect your and install the driver. That's fine. Let's keep aside. This is the mini dongle. Shit, man, it's too hard. Oh, it's inside. Good packing. This is the mini dongle. Wow, it's colorful. This is the one. This is a small. You need to power on. This is one button. Is I'm not sure. We have to power on or not. This is a small button. You can see. You have to hold. Okay, let's connect this to my gaming PC. I'm going to show you the speed, how it's going to support. My home actually is 1200 square feet. I'm using 100 Mbps Geo connection, 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Okay, let's connect to my gaming PC. This is my gaming PC. There is no inbuilt Wi-Fi. If I am going for inbuilt Wi-Fi motherboard, right, the cost will be more. So I thought let's go for dongle. Is 500 rupees. Why should I spend 5,000 extra? This is so I have connected front. Okay, now this is my PC. I'm not sure it has been yeah, open device and printer. Device wireless, not wireless, the connector. Guys, this is CDs. I'm worried now. In my gaming PC there is no CD-ROM. I have not checked this before buying this product, whether it's a driverless or with driver. So I have to get a CD-ROM now. Because now all the PCs and laptop, they are not having this TP-Link. I will going to copy this. Let's arrange one CD-ROM. I will get back to you soon. 1 second. So finally I have arranged the CD-ROM. Open this and this is a new one. CD-ROM. Where is the USB cable? Where is the inside cable? Should be there. Yeah, nowadays now you have to keep the CD-ROM. If you have the old CDs, some software CDs, right? Most of the PCs, they are not keeping this now. So they have removed this device now. Hold properly. Let's connect to my PC. I really don't like this. And give me CD.
Okay.
CD. The CD is open.
Take it.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Okay, now I want to install the driver now. The CD is detected. Run auto run. Yes. TP-Link. I think in latest version they are not giving this CD. If it is not supporting, I have to return this device. It's getting installed. 39%, 40. When I quoted right for inbuilt Wi-Fi motherboard, the cost is more, like 5,000, 7,000, like 3 to 4,000 costing more if you want inbuilt Wi-Fi motherboard. So I thought let's say as a 500 rupees dongle, or if you have the LAN connection, that you can directly. Right now I have to take from hall to my bedroom the LAN connection. So all my laptop, my printer is a wireless, so no need to connect any wire. Is a Wi-Fi connection is there. Searching for the device adapter. Hey, this is boring process, man. Nowadays, no latest, no. They are not giving. I'm not sure. This is the first time I brought this dongle for Wi-Fi adapter. I can copy this software and keep handy. This is the application. Let me copy and save it in my D drive. Wi-Fi dongle. Let's paste. Wow, it's too quick. Oh, my driver software driver is installed. Let's connect. Yes, start. WPS 2. Still it's not showing the Wi-Fi symbol. Let's go to run. lcpa.cpl. Oh, now showing the Wi-Fi. Now connect. Unable to connect. Why? I have to enter the password. Let's connect. I have entered the password. Is connected successfully. Let's see the speed. Speed test. Run speed test. Wow, it's getting good speed. It's enough for my gaming PC. I have 100 Mbps speed for home. It's getting this much speed is sufficient for my work. Let's see YouTube. It's going to be how it's going to be play. Home. Let's check Techno Gamer. My son is saying Techno Gamer. So no lagging. It's fine for me. That's it for my end, guys. See you in next vlog. It's going to work. It's going to give you the sufficient speed. If you have 150 Mbps, then almost it will get 80-90 Mbps speed and Wi-Fi. My distance is too far. My router and Wi-Fi dongle. If it is near to me, it will get good speed. But right now it's too far from my room. Already room is locked. That's the reason my speed is low. It's fine. You can go for 500 rupees one if you want to go for it. There are many brand. TP-Link, Linksys, 1500, 1800 dongle. It's going to suffice my work. That's it. Okay guys, चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. Bye.